Arshna Gupta. So today I'll be teaching you a topic of class 10 is arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? It is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between the number is constant. For example, I take an example. For example, one number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Another example I am taking 100, 70, 40, 10, minus of 20. Now if we observe this sequence, we see the difference between the 2 and 4. The difference between the number is plus 2. Between 4 and 6, the difference between the number is plus 2. Between 6 and 8, the difference between the number is plus 2. Between the 8 and 10, the difference between the number is plus 2. And between 10 and 12, the difference between the number is plus 2. Similarly, if we observe this sequence, number 2 sequence, the difference between the number is minus of 30. Here, minus of 30. And between 40 and 10, minus of 30. And between 10 and minus 20, the difference is minus of 30. So this type of sequence where the difference between the numbers is constant is said to be arithmetic progression. Okay. Now I am taking another example. Now we generally have two types of arithmetic progression. Okay. First one is finite arithmetic progression. Finite arithmetic progression, and the other is infinite arithmetic progression. Okay, infinite arithmetic progression. So by the term finite and infinite arithmetic progression, what we can mean? Finite arithmetic progression means the arithmetic progression which have limited terms. Okay, the AP that has limited term. Okay, limited terms. And the term infinite AP, we mean that the AP that has unlimited term. Okay. Now, if I take an example, for example, one example I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, dot dot. Okay. This belongs to infinite AP because we cannot say what the next term will be, what the last term will be, because it's continued. It is in a continued manner. So this type of AP is generally said to be infinite AP. And the difference between the number is what? 1, 1, 1. So difference is constant. That means it is in AP. And the last term we cannot find out what is the last term. So it is infinite AP. Now if I take another example. If I take 2, 8, 14, 6, 20, that is, so difference between number is 6 and 6. Okay, so this type of where the last term is, where we can find the last term, this type of AP is said to be finite AP. So this is the example of finite AP. Okay, so these are the two types of AP. Now next, generally the general form of AP is, we can write the general form of AP as general form of AP, that is arithmetic progression, as first term is suppose A, then the next term will be A plus D, the next term will be, the third term will be A plus 2D, the fourth term will be A plus 3D, and the fifth term will be A plus 4D. It will be continued in this manner. Okay, suppose if I say the first term A is to be 5 and I say the difference between the number is 3. Okay, so we can find out the AP, what is the arithmetic progression. So first term is 5, I have wrote 5. Okay, next term is 5 plus D, that is D I have taken 3, so 5 plus D, that is 3. Next A, that is 5 plus A is 5 plus 2 into D, that is 3. Next is A, that is 5 plus 4 into D, that is 3. So the AP will get is 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 2, 3 is 6, so 5 plus 6, that is 5 plus 6 will get 11, so 11. Next 5 plus 4 into 3, that is 12, 12 plus 5 we will get 17. Okay, so sorry, not 17, here it will be D. 3D, 2D, then 3D, okay, 3D. So 3 into 3, okay. So next time we will get 5 plus, that is 3 into 3, that is 9. So we will get here 14, okay. So we will get here 14. So the difference between the number is 3, 3, 3. So they are in arithmetic progression. So this is the general form of AP, okay. Now we have a formula to find AP. There is a formula in AP, that is here an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, okay. Here an means the last term. The last term, that is the term we need to find out, okay. The last term. And a means the first term. The first term of the arithmetic progression. The first term, okay. Next, n means number of terms. N means number of terms that is contained in the AP. Number of terms, okay. And here d means difference between the number, that is always constant in arithmetic progression. So d means difference between the numbers. Difference between the numbers, okay. So this is the general formula of arithmetic progression. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where an is the last term, a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the difference between the number, okay. So this formula is generally given to find out, if you need to find out this, suppose it is given the question, find out the number of terms, okay. Suppose a question is given, find out the number of terms in the given AP. In the given AP, and the AP is given is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, okay. Now with the help of this formula we can find out the number of terms. A number of terms means what? N, okay. We need to find the value of n, number of terms, okay. So we know the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is what? An means the last term. So the last term of this AP is 40. So I have wrote here 40, okay. Equal to first term. A means what? First term. So first term of this AP is what? 5. So I have wrote here 5, okay. Plus, now we need to find n, that is number of terms. So n will be as it is, n minus 1 into d. Now the difference between the number is what? We will find the difference between the numbers a2 minus a1. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term, this is sixth term, this is seventh term, and this is eighth term, okay. Now to find out the difference between number, we subtract a2 minus a1, okay. So here a2 is what? 10. 10 minus 5, that is 5, okay. a2 is a2 minus a1, that is difference between the number is 5. So if we calculate 40 equal to 5 plus 5n minus of 5, okay. So this 5 and this 5 cancel, plus 5 minus 5 cancel, so we will get is, I am doing it here, so we will get is 40 equal to, that is 5n. So the number of terms will be 40 divided by 5 equal to n. So 5 1 is 5, 5 8 is 40. So the number of terms contained in this AP we have got is 8, okay. Now if there is question given that, if the question is given that find out the 20th term, suppose the question is given find out the 20th term of the given AP, okay. And the AP given is same AP I am taking 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, okay. Now I have said to find out the 20th term, okay. That means what I have need to find? 20th term. That means 20th term is we need to find the an, that is in 20th term what number is coming. So here an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, okay. Now here an we don't know what will be the 20th term, so an will be as it is. And the first term, what is the first term of this AP is 5, okay. And number of terms is what? Which term we need to find? 20th term. So n will be 20 minus of 1, and the difference between the number is a2 minus a1, that means 10 minus 5, 15 minus 10, 20 minus 15, we will get the same number difference, so 5, okay. So here we will get is an equal to here 5 plus 20 minus 1 will get is 19. So 19 into 5. Okay. Next I am doing it here. So here the an will equal to 5 plus and 19 5 ja we know the 5 9 ja 45 4 carried. So 5 1 5 that is 95. So the nth term will be, that is 20th term will be, that is 20th term will be, that is 100. So the 20th term in the given AP will be 100. So this is the about the topic of arithmetic progression. So hope you have understood the understood this topic. So thank you.